Sent to you the Ratchets.
My name's Z.
My name's Charlie.
Gigi.
And I'm Betsy. To be continued. You can't see my face yet because, you know, I'm the main attraction up in
Is she
this
ratchet
bitch.
too?
Oh, man, I said bitch. Fuck! Ah, fuck it. Let's keep going.
What's up, man?
Tell the viewers what this channel is going to be about.
Okay, this channel is about our ratchet life. Because we ratchet people.
Dude, right?
Give him about our story, yo.
What? Okay,
Va, cabrón.
this is
Que
about...
te el gallo, güey.
You need some help?
You need some water? Got water bottles.
Okay, this is about our life because we do things that
I got amnesia.
Oh, that's amnesia right there.
True story.
She knocked herself out and she gave herself amnesia for like 4 hours.
That's another story.
Okay, that's a whole nother story though. We'll get back to that.
But to be continued.